Next phase.
The next phase, yay! So as Jan already said, we're done with the research now, and the next phase is all about understanding each other, basically. So what you want to do next is to share all your insights you gathered during your research with your team and bring everyone on the same level again, because you talk to different people now and you have different insights and needs you gained from the people you talk to. So you want to share that with your teammates, right?
Yeah.
So the first part is the storytelling. Each of you who did an interview or who did desk research will tell the others what they found out. And I want the other ones, while one person is sharing their story, to take notes on Post-its. And if you do that, please only put one insight on one Post-it. Because after that you want to cluster your ideas and insights, so you don't want to have like a lot of things on that. And if you do so and put something on your Post-it, remember to use a big pen. Don't write like in very little words, because then you can't read it. Very important little things, but it helps. So do that. What else? Yeah, of course, make a list of your users before you start, and think of like what you want to share with your team, and then describe what you heard and observed, and try to be very crisp and sharp about it. Don't tell a 30-minute story because you don't have that time, first of all, and because it might be very boring. And just like be on topic and focused about it. Okay, just share like the most important insights you figured out, and then the other person writes it down, so it gets a different perspective right there. So you only write on your Post-it what you think is important, not what the other person tells you to write on it, right? And try to be visual when you write things on your Post-it. Maybe combine a picture with a word. That makes it maybe more helpful when you cluster later. And some examples what you should think of when you write your ideas or insights on your Post-it. Maybe some characteristics of the people you interviewed. What were their goals? What kind of activities or tasks do they do? Maybe also what age had the person you talked to, female, male. What were their hobbies? Maybe that's important too. Or their family situation, their background and pain points. What you observed from the environment, maybe also some things, how the people reacted, what I talked about earlier, like how did they feel, what were their body language, expressions, write all those things down as well. And then after you did that, I want you to cluster and prioritize your insights. So write everything down and put it on a wall, and after you're done with all your insights you found out, try to cluster it and see maybe already certain patterns, or how important things are, because you have 5 Post-its on the same topic, so maybe that's more important than other things. And for this part, storytelling, you have 40 minutes now. So each story shouldn't be longer than 3 to 5 minutes. Keep that in mind. I mean, maybe you talked to 3 people, and others did desk research, looked at videos, so maybe 3 to 5 minutes for each story, and then you put it on the board and you cluster it. 40 minutes for that. Do you have any questions?
Will we stay all in this room?
Yes. We stay all in this room, and it will be very loud and crowded, so have fun.
You have a flip chart that you can put close to your table. And
exactly. No limits. You can also put the Post-its on the walls, on the windows, whatever space you find. If you want to, use this wall, go for it. All right, 40 minutes.